we'll guide you through how to start Printful T-shirt printing. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Printful website on your desktop and log into your account or create a new one if you haven't already. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard and find the Stores section. Click on Add Store to connect your e-commerce platform. You can choose from popular options like Shopify, Etsy, or WooCommerce, which will allow you to sell your custom printed shirts. Follow the prompts to connect your chosen platform by entering your store details and authorizing Printful to access it. Next, head over to the Products tab in the Printful dashboard. Here, you can browse through a wide selection of t-shirts. Choose a style and color that you like. Click on Create Your Own to start designing. You'll be taken to the design interface where you can upload your designs or create new ones using Printful's design tools. Once you're happy with your design, click Proceed to add the product to your store. Then, you'll need to set your retail price. Printful will show you the base cost and suggest a retail price, but you can adjust it to fit your strategy. After setting the price, click on Publish to add the t-shirt to your online store. It's vital to ensure your store settings like shipping, taxes, and payment methods are configured so that customers can smoothly buy from you. Lastly, promote your new t-shirt designs on social media and to your existing customer base to drive traffic to your store. With everything set up, you're ready to start selling custom t-shirts with Printful. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.